guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very exciting video. I'm going to be showing you how I get my supernatural beachy waves, mermaid waves. I just got a product that is super life-changing, and it gives me the perfect beach waves. So today I'm going to be sharing with you this tool right here. Gives me amazing waves. I love the way my hair turns out using this thing, so I wanted to show you guys just how I use it. Okay, so I'm gonna plug this in and start heating it up. Okay, and I like to set my temperature to about 200 degrees. So I am going to be putting up just the top half of my hair. So we're just gonna get like my bangs out of the way. My dog is like, he's like, who are you talking to? I'm talking to the people on the internet. Okay, so I'm just going to put up like this top section here and just get my bangs out of the way, and we'll do those very last. So the cool thing about this is I don't really feel the need to like really separate my hair a ton. But of course you want to protect your hair from the heat. So I like to go in with my Tresemme heat protection spray. And I just give my hair a nice misting. And then I'll just comb out my hair to disperse the product and also get rid of all the tangles that I have. I feel like I didn't even brush my hair this morning. I just rolled out of bed and didn't do anything. So if you guys hear a lot of knots, that's why. Okay, now that my hair is all brushed out, this thing is at temperature. It reaches its temperature pretty quickly. So we're just gonna jump right in. So I'm going to take the first section, and I like to take a similar size piece of hair that I would for like curling or straightening. All you do is open up the clamp, place your hair inside. It tends to get caught on the top, and I like to just clamp it like maybe ½ an inch from my scalp. Now you do want to be careful because this thing is super hot, so I've already burned myself on it. And I like to hold it here for about 20 seconds, and then I'm going to move it down further. Okay, and then you just move on down. As you can see, there's already some wave happening. Okay, as you can see, we have a super pretty looking wave. It's kind of hard to see because I'm wearing a black top. So I'm just going to show you another section of hair, and then I'll probably speed up the process. Take your clamp. I just burned myself. I think that's super hot. Like I said, just like a ½ inch away from your hair. You can hold the sides here. They're not that hot, but with this is you really do smell your hair burning, and it's like I can see like the steam coming off of it even though it wasn't really like wet. So yeah, obviously any heat on your hair is going to damage it, but I just wouldn't do this that often because you can really smell the damage as well, which is a little unsettling, but yeah. Okay, so I just did another piece here. I'm not sure if you guys can see because I'm wearing a dark color, but yeah, you can see there. Don't mind the mess in the background. But it gives you beautiful waves. So I'm just going to speed up the rest of my hair, and we will check back in when I'm all done. So now I'm just going to do these top pieces. I'm just going to spray them with heat protectant real quick. Brush that through. The only thing I really dislike about this is that it takes me way longer than straightening or curling my hair. Since you have to go down one strand like a little bit at a time, it honestly like doubles the time to get ready. So even though these waves look like way more natural, it takes me way longer. So just keep that in mind, that this isn't really a quick like a ready out the door in 10 minutes kind of hair product, or tool I should say. So that's really the only thing I don't like. Other than that, got nothing but great things to say about it. I love the way my hair turns out. It looks so natural, so effortless, and so just shiny and pretty. And these curls really last, or these waves really last. So, you know, I'll wake up tomorrow and they'll still basically look great. Maybe just add some dry shampoo and just kind of fluff them up with like a pick comb. That's kind of what I do. But yeah, as far as like saving you time to get ready, this is definitely not the product that's going to help you out. If anything, it's going to take a little bit longer, but I think it's so worth it for how your hair honestly turns out. So I think it's a game changer. That is the tutorial. I hope you loved how these waves turned out. I am obsessed. I love it. I think it's totally worth investing in one of these. This one I think went for about like $30 or something close to that. So a total steal and a total game changer if you ask me. I'm just obsessed with how these turned out, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and definitely leave me a comment if you guys have one of your own or if you're dying to try it like I have been. So yeah, I definitely recommend getting a hair waver. It will be the best decision you ever made, and it definitely works for short hair too. I've seen plenty of tutorials with shorter hair than mine. But yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Greatly appreciate it. And until I see you guys in my next video,